Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for your small business. First, identify your business structure, like sole proprietorship or LLC, as this dictates your required tax forms. Next, establish a robust system for tracking all your income and expenses. This meticulous record keeping is crucial for accurate reporting and maximizing deductions. Finally, learn about estimated taxes. Many small businesses must pay these quarterly to avoid penalties. Now, let's talk about the essential forms and deductions. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll typically use Schedule C, which is part of Form 1040, to report your profits and losses. It's vital to claim all eligible business deductions to significantly lower your taxable income. Think about common write-offs like your home office expenses, business mileage, and necessary supplies. Keeping good records here saves you money. To ensure a smooth tax season, avoid these common pitfalls. A major one is commingling personal and business funds. Always keep them separate to simplify accounting. Another frequent error is underestimating your quarterly estimated taxes, which can result in penalties from the IRS. Lastly, remember to retain all your tax records for a minimum of 3 years, though 7 years is often recommended for safety. Finally, let's cover important deadlines and helpful resources. For most small businesses, your annual tax return is due by April 15th, so mark your calendar. If your tax situation is complex, don't hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional. Their expertise can be invaluable. And hey, while you're tackling those taxes, remember to stay hydrated. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.